IGI Aviation Services Private Limited, a leading aviation training and manpower services, was established in 2008. The core business of company is to provide training and manpower services in the aviation sector. The company is associated with international and domestic flights. Also, the aviation industry, ground handling companies, cargo companies, and other retails at much more at Delhi airport. And sir, our mission IGI Aviation recruits and trains ground staff, customer service agent, and sir, personal and successful career in the aviation industry. And sir, our mission is to add value to the organization. We serve and to contribute to the success of individual seeking employment. Sir, by supplying people who are well qualified and passionate about service, we contribute to the delivery of exceptional guest experience, increase company revenue.
Enough. Shubham, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are meeting new personalities, making new friends, and learning new things.
And what is your aim of life?
I want to join IGI.
Okay. Sanskriti,
Yes, sir.
you tell me your strengths and weaknesses.
Sir, as far as my strengths are concerned, I am a decision maker, honest, punctual, and a sincere girl.
Suprita,
Yes, sir.
by that time you tell us about your family first of all, Suprita.
Sir, we are six members in my family. My father is a cook clerk, my mother is a homemaker, and I have a 3 siblings.
Tell about your place.
Sir, I belong to the Banga city, which is very famous for Nargona Palace in Kama Temple. It is considered as a cultural capital of Bihar just because of its musical folk art and tradition continues from the centuries. And it is also known as the city of Pond.
Okay. Shubham, what does your name mean?
Shubham Kumar, which means auspicious. I am very much similar to my name, as I am optimistic person and always believe in best.
Sanskriti, why should we select
Yes,
you?
Sir, as I am a hardworking girl and sincere and honest girl, and I have also an experience of 2 years in a computer, and I have a good knowledge of computer.
Sir, managing check-in counters, welcoming the greeting passengers, crew manifest, VIP lounges, hangars in aircraft, handling in aircraft, checking baggage, solving ticket-related problems, handle airport checking, issuing tickets, help passengers, handle food courts, guarding aircraft in hangar, care VIP lounge, and sir, boarding pass scanning.
Sanskriti,
That's it.
You told me that I should convey you about cabin crew jobs. Yesterday, one of my students, she was in Indigo Airport. Rajni. She has cracked Air India and Vistara also. So I want you people also to practice and to try over there as cabin crew, and you people can easily attain the success. There is no problem. If aviation is your dream, if really you want to make your career in aviation. Akash, you tell me,
Yes, sir.
what is your short term and long term goal of life?
Sir, my short-term goal is join IGI, and sir, I see myself gaining trust and credibility. If I can be reliable within a short period of time, I can be reliable within a short period of. I can be trusted with various new tasks, while the short term can be achieved within the initial years. My long-term goal, sir, is to make myself as a successful role for my organization by working sincerely and honestly. As I move ahead, these are not just goals but a guideline to me as well as this organization.
First of all, I would like to join CSA in IGI.
Okay.
I'll work here sincerely and honestly.
As far as my strengths are concerned,
I'm a decision maker, honest, punctual, and hardworking girl. Managing check-in counters, welcoming and greeting passengers, confirming identities of passengers, assisting by answering their questions, and ticket reservations and selling tickets. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I'm Sanskriti Pare, as I'm very much similar to my name. I'm decent and spiritual girl. I belong to Bhopal, which is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, and it is also known as City of Lakes. I have done my graduation from Barkatullah University. My hobbies are painting, traveling, making new friends, exploring new cultures, meeting new personalities so that I can learn something new things from them. My friends call me versatile just because of my adjustable nature. I'm a jovial girl and I don't want anybody to remain sad in my company. I want my career in a IGI, and my strengths are I'm a hardworking, punctual, honest and decent girl, and I'm a competitive girl and I love challenges. That's all about myself, sir. Yes, sir. I want to be a part of aviation industry. It is a vast and growing sector. It is a very challenging industry in which each day we will meet new persons with different religion and different culture. I'm the person who like facing new challenges. That's why I want to join aviation field. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am Chandri Maulik. My name means that moon's daughter. I am very much similar to my name as I am calm and cool personality. I am a student and currently I am pursuing secondary education from Bedi Bhavan Robitirtho Vidyalaya in Bengal. I am from Halishahor, which was famous for Rani Rashmoni Ghat. I aspire to be an aerosteward in future. My age is 16 plus. As for my hobbies, I can say that I have a good inclination towards traveling to new places and exploring new culture. About my strength, I can say that I can get to know everyone very quickly and I am very versatile person and punctual person. And about my family, I can say that I am blessed with the joint family of 9 members. That's all.
Hi, I am Sneha Sharma. I am from Mara. I came to know about PD classes. Then I joined this class. And मुझे ये क्लास ज्वाइन करके काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट मिला. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं सर को बहुत बहुत थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगी कि सर ने हमें एक बहुत ही अच्छी गाइडेंस दी जिससे कि हम अपनी फ्लुएंसी को बढ़ा रहे हैं, जिससे कि हमारी हेजिटेशन दूर होती है. ग्रुप डिस्कशन हम लोग अपनी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को बढ़ा सकते हैं. एंड मुझे बहुत ही मोटिवेशन मिला पीडी क्लासेस ज्वाइन करके. एंड वंस अगेन थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू पीडी क्लासेस.